into the video for this week. I decided it would be kind of fun. I know it's kind of a TikTok trend right now, but since I'm not a TikTok baddie and I'm just a YouTube gal, I thought it'd be fun to go to Walmart, try and find pieces that I could make into trendy clothing that you might be able to find at like Brandy Melville or PacSun or something like that, you know? I thought it'd be a good idea. So that's what I'm gonna kind of try to do. Now, I will be doing bleach dye and tie-dye because I'm basic and I already said that. And along with getting that stuff, while I'm out, I thought I would get my boyfriend his birthday present because his birthday's coming up in a few days. And I'll kind of show you guys. I want to make one of his things part of the DIY just because I think it'll spice things up a little. I'm gonna get some Starbucks first. I'm probably gonna get a medium iced vanilla latte. Not that I maybe cared, but I'm also probably not gonna get like soy milk or any of that. You know, I really tried to like soy milk and almond milk, but like I just can't do it. I'm a dairy lover, even if it hurts me in the end. Sorry. Okay, so I just made it to Walmart. I'm not gonna bring the camera in because, well, I mean, I will bring my phone with me, but I will not be recording anything because I'm awkward enough as it is. Oh god, this looks scary on. Okay, so I honestly don't know how I feel about the jeans. I kind of love them, except look like in the back, like I haven't worn actual denim in like 12 years, so I forgot that this happened. But I think if I put a belt on, they'll look cute. I actually do like them, but again, haven't worn real denim, so they're so aggressively not stretchy. Also, okay, here's this tank top. It literally goes all the way down to here. But honestly, it's really comfortable, and I think once I crop it, it'll look really good. So yeah, the other stuff's basically the same. Maybe I'll just try it on quick and show it. Here's the gray tank top. I actually really like this one, and I just kind of folded it to get the idea of what it would look like cropped. I think I like this one too much to dye it, just in case I mess up. I don't know. But I do like this one, and I think it actually looks really cute with these jeans. And then lastly, here is the white tank top. Again, it's super long. So once I crop it and tie-dye it, I think it'll look really cool. And I think I am gonna keep these just because I love them with the tank tops. Like, they're just kind of like bulky, so they look kind of cool with the fitted tank. Even though literally nobody asked, here is a preview of his outfit. I dig it. Okay, so I just got back from work like probably like 30 minutes ago, so I kind of just want to jump right into bleach dyeing at least the shirt that I got for my boyfriend, maybe do the tie-dye of one of the white tank top I got. I don't know, but yeah, I just want to jump right into it because I'm all jazzed about it. But first, I just made myself an acai bowl, and like, she's a little liquidy, but like I'm excited. She kind of looks good. Like, wait, let me show you. Right? Like, not too shabby, you know? I'm not upset about it. Okay, so while eating this, I'm just gonna go on my Pinterest account called Felicia. Follow if you want. I was a quirky little 7th grader. But also a DIY queen. So if you're looking for something, it's there, okay? And my whole future house is planned out on there. Do you guys have any interest in watching me eat this? That being said, I do kind of want to do a mukbang or mukbang. Has anyone ever figured out how to say them? But I want to do one of those. And like a Q&A, but the only people that really watch my videos, I feel like, are people that already know me. So I feel awkward being like, Q&A, ask me questions. But it might come to that, you know? At this point, it's full send. Okay, so I figured out what I'm gonna do. I just have to do like 2 cups of bleach, 2 cups of water, and then let it sit for 10 minutes, I think, and then rinse it off, wash it, you know, that kind of whole ordeal. But I'm just gonna do a random like rubber band tie design because I don't really like the perfect looking store-bought tie-dyes. So I'll just kind of zoom through that and then soak her. Okay, so I'm now soaking it. Oh, she's already changing. The only issue is that it can't reach all the shirt, so. Okay, this looks really cool. It's turned to like red, so.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Okay, so, you know how it was like just green? It is now red. Which is not what I was expecting, since the hat I got was black and green. But some of the green will still show, and I kind of want this to turn white. So I'm gonna kind of probably let it sit for longer. So it's time to dye the white tank top. I'm doing food coloring tie-dye because I'm broke. And we have had this sitting in my cupboard for like 12 years. I don't know. I also used expired vinegar, so if my hands fall off, we know why. So, okay. I don't know what colors to do. Oh, they tell me. How cute. Okay. Well. They're even stuck to the cardboard. Alright. Alrighty then.
Alrighty then.
I just have the white tank top marinating in some distilled white water vinegar, or white vinegar, I don't know, and some water. So it's 2 cups of the vinegar, 2 cups of water. Red. Okay, so this is what I have right now. I don't really know if those are ugly color mixes, but we're gonna full send. And then I have to let this sit for, I think, 8 hours. And then I don't even think I can wash it. And then I dip it in like cold water to rinse it out. And then I'm gonna do some sort of like embroider into it. Don't know how to do that, freehanding it all, but full send, you know what I mean? Okay, now I'm gonna go work on the other shirts, crop them. I don't know if I should paint the jeans because I honestly like the jeans by themselves and I don't want to paint them and then never wear them. I don't know, I'm struggling, but this is done for now. Okay, so I just cropped the 2 tank tops. Obviously there's the bottoms, they look like that. I don't know if I should put like a little slit, like one of those little V's. I can't decide. I don't know, but I think they're gonna be really cute. Like they're just basics, you know? Good stuff to have. And then here is the shirt from yesterday. I don't think I've showed you guys yet. It might have been a fail, I can't tell. Kind of like it, kind of hate it. But I think I'm gonna do like a little, like sew in like a little tiny heart just to add a little touch for the birthday gift. But I don't know where I want that, so I'll have to figure that out. Wait, look. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Also, look, my dog wears a diaper. Okay, so I found our sewing kit. I don't think it gets used. I think we just have one so we can say we have one. But I'm going to try and sew like a little tiny red heart somewhere onto this. I can't decide if I should do it on like the collar or next to the already standing logo, or on the other side, or like down here somewhere. I don't know. But on the plus side, the shirt's growing on me, so I think I'm gonna keep it. And hopefully he likes, or I'll wear it because I like it. Okay, so I don't want to flex or anything, but I might have just drawn the best heart ever. It's kind of bigger than I was hoping, but once I like sew it and stuff, I think it'll look cute. Okay, so it is precisely a month later from the footage you just saw. I got busy and lazy and kind of forgot that I was a YouTuber. No, I'm kidding, but seriously, I kind of suck. It's been a month later and I just edited the film, like whatever you just saw, I edited last night. And I realized I didn't film myself doing a lot of like the DIY parts. 2, I realized I didn't even show you what the shirt I made for Dylan, my boyfriend, like what it looked like at the end, and I have already given it to him and he's at work right now. And 3, I realized that I literally only bought a pair of jeans and 3 tank tops, and I was acting like I was like gonna change your wardrobe. And on top of that, I didn't even put any kind of embroider thing into the white tank top that I tie-dyed like I said I would. But hopefully I inspired you to get out of your comfort zone, go to stores that you wouldn't usually shop at, find something like a basic or literally anything, make it into something that you would like to wear. I don't know. Personally, I'll probably go back to Walmart at some point, find some more like tank tops. I saw like these little kid shorts that you can turn into biker shorts. I don't know. TikTok's ruining my bank account. And then not even just Walmart, but like the thrift store, which is honestly even cheaper than some of this stuff. Like the jeans I got were $17, but you could go to the thrift store and get jeans for way cheaper. Unfortunately, I don't really know what the deal is with thrift stores right now because of Corona, but when the time comes, I will be there. But yeah, so I kind of overall failed, but like this stuff's cute and I've worn all of them. But yeah, overall I could have done better, but hopefully I inspired you to do something similar and save some money. Okay? Okay, so first outfit is the comfy grout fit. Okay, and next up we have what I would call the Addison Rae outfit. So for this one, the white tie-dye, the only thing that really stayed is the pink. You know, there's little hints of yellow in there, but majority pink. Okay, and then what I'm most excited about, I think, are the jeans. So this top I actually thrifted and then cropped myself just to kind of hammer in that idea. You can get some cute stuff at the thrift store. But anyways, here are the jeans. So one of my favorite parts about the jeans are this little Wrangler's tag, because it reminds me of like the Levi things. And then because they're so like loose, I wanted to make them more cinched around the waist to make them a little more flattering and less manly, I guess. And so I used a shoelace. I think that's a trend. Maybe it's not and I just kind of look funny, but I kind of like, I love it. Then I just cuffed the bottoms to, again, make it a little more flattering, and I will show you this all in the mirror. Okay, yeah, so here is all in all. Okay, and lastly, we have the orangey pink shirt. And for this one, I ended up doing the little V on it, and I think it looks cute with like a fun sports bra that has a lot going on under it. Yeah, I really like this one too. See, the tank tops I honestly like to wear for working out and just being comfy. And I think it looks really cute when you add another vibrant color with another vibrant color and give it a nice little neutral bottom, you know? But anyways, yeah.